Hello YouTube, Michael here with the Bill Paying Hobbyists. Ellie's behind the camera. Today we have this bookshelf. We got it out of the storage and you know, it's just a normal bookshelf and we want to turn it and maybe give it a little, mid-century modern vibe. That's what we want to do to it. So we're gonna help it grow up a little bit. So we're gonna add some legs to it and they're not your normal everyday legs. So let's get to it. As you can see, it's one of those light, you know, bookshelves. Just something you get maybe for a college student or something like that. And we're just gonna spruce it up, make it look a little more, what is it? Adultie. So that it fits in our home.
Mid-century modern.
Mid-century modern vibe.
With a surprise help.
Let's go to the garage. All right, we're out in the garage. So nothing spectacular. Something very simple and easy.
Famous last words.
We have, yeah, right? We have these bed risers. We don't need them. I just made a platform bed. So I'm gonna use these on the bottom. This is the top, but I'm gonna use these on the bottom. And I'm just going to, good old trusty, epoxy them. I'll rough up this edge and I'll put epoxy on it, put it on there, some 3/8" staples, staple it on two sides, let it dry, done. Too easy. And maybe tighten it up a little bit. The honey stain color I actually like because I love natural wood more than I do all dark stain stuff. Ellie likes the dark stain stuff, but she likes honey too. It's close to amber. And she loves the distressed look on it, so that helps as well.
Through the natural aging process.
Natural aging process and years of being moved around in storage. So I'm just gonna flip it over very gently. And I'm gonna get, that's why you couldn't put it the way you wanted to. There are legs. Come take a look. So we have these legs right here, and these are gonna go in the corners just like this, and they happen to fit pretty good right there. But I can't because they're blocking over there. So I need to take these adjustable legs off, which is cool because I can use those on something else if I want to later on. So there you have it. Just a fun take on a mid-century modern bookshelf. Nothing too expensive, nothing too spectacular. Actually, I think it is pretty spectacular. It looks awesome. Looks like it was made to be that way. And that's what we wanted. So let's go over some numbers. I spent 30 cents in epoxy. We had everything else. So there you go. Instead of going to buy one that could cost anywhere from $150 to $300, it's gonna look spectacular with all of our stuff in it. I spent 30 cents and a little bit of time and got to come outside with the pups and with Ellie.
How much time? Seriously?
This one?
40 minutes?
This one was 40 minutes. It almost took longer to take the stuff off the bookshelf than it did to do this. And I even fixed the bottom where the paneling was coming off the back, and I fixed the little end here, it was water damage, that was splitting apart. So now it's just even better. Tighten everything up, we're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas or anything that you want to share with us that you refurbished, we'll put your pictures in our next video, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.